It's Randy here of the Likense high pressure shower head with apparently 10 different settings. Let's open this thing up, take a look, see what we get in here. Right off the bat, we got instructions, which nobody needs instructions for a shower head, right? The hose for the sprayer. Take a look at that. It's got a little bit of flexibility to it, but not much. It says it is a 60-inch 5-foot hose. Now we got a couple of washers in the bag right here. We have the attachment that we're going to screw on to the old one. We have the attachment that you hang the actual thing on here. And we have the hose sprayer itself. So looks good. Feels like it's plastic. It's not metal, so that's all right. Nice big size on that. Let's get the size of this. This guy is 5 inches across. We got another washer in here, and my favorite thing that people have been adding to these types of products lately, Teflon tape. They give you Teflon tape. Now, this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. It's your typical removable shower head here. So this shower head is 11 inches long, and if you're someone like me who's a little bit taller, I'm 6'2", when you put the attachment onto your old shower head right here, and you put this thing up here and hang it in here and take a shower, you actually gain an extra, I don't know, 10 inches or so on here, which is great for taller people. Apparently there's a flow restrictor in here that can be removed if you need to have it removed. So putting a new shower head on isn't that difficult, but if you feel like it is, you should call a plumber. Always call a plumber or a professional if you're doing your own household repairs. Me, I go for it every time. I'm doing it myself. Nobody's doing it. I'm not paying for that. This guy basically attaches on to your old shower stem that comes down. Remove the old head, clean off the threads, put your Teflon tape on there, which they've provided for you. Screw this guy on. You're going to put Teflon tape on here. You're going to make sure that the washers they've provided here are inside. There's one inside of here and one inside of here. Obviously, this is just going to screw onto here, and this is going to screw onto here, and that's it. That's really not a whole lot to installing a washer. Obviously, you want to make sure your water's turned off at the faucet. Pretty easy thing to do, pretty easy thing to install. It's a nice affordable shower head, great for taller folks, great for washing your pets. If you wash your pets in the shower or bathtub, it's got different jet features on here you can try out, and it clicks to tell you're in place. Look at that. But yeah, if you're looking for a nice affordable shower head, definitely check out the Likense high pressure shower head. Check it out.